JunkGuysdfw here in the great city of Plano, right? We're in Plano, right?
Yes.
Plano, Texas. I'm in a golf cart. We're going golfing right now. Right? We're going golfing? Or am I looking at an apartment?
You're looking at an apartment.
Worse.
Sorry to tell you.
All right, guys, we got an apartment that apparently someone ditched it. Okay, they like. What would you call it? They skeet right out of it.
It's more than that.
All right, so apparently this apartment was hit with the ice storm about a month ago, and then the people just peaced out of here, and we're gonna look at it right now. So this is an apartment clean out. Oh, great! It's on the first floor. Yes, that's the best part, when it's on the first floor. All right, we're gonna look at it and give an estimate. Holy schmanolis, that is mold.
That's why I was like, are you sure you want to go in here?
Yeah, that's all right. You need to roll up some windows or something. You think they're finished with this? Do you think they're finished with the chicken?
Yeah.
That's nasty.
Oh my god, it's fixing it.
Yeah, it stinks. Leave that door open. Okay. All right, guys, so we're going to do a head cam out of it. I'm just going to walk through the whole house. You know what? I'll just hold it, actually. So this is apartment complex in Plano, Texas. I'm just here to do an estimate. That's all I'm going to do. So apparently, here's what we got. We got a sectional couch right here. And this is why they moved out. The ice storm hit Texas really, really bad. And apparently hit this apartment. These people weren't having. They're like, I'm out of here. They left some stuff out. There's food. The washer and dryer stay, right? Okay, it's not that bad. I mean, I expected a lot more than this. No, a lot more than this. It's just a bed, and then you got a TV stand. They take the TV, the fan. It's one bedroom, hon?
There's one bedroom, yeah.
Okay. Cool. They left it pretty bad, but not that bad. I mean, I'm like looking around, seeing what they did, and you know, not that bad. Okay, cool. Well, that's that. That was fast. Let's get out of here. It does stink in here.
You might turn the lights off.
Yeah. They were turned on when we came in, right? Yeah, they were turned on when we came in. Yeah, these were. I turned on this one.
Okay.
And this back one was turned on too. All right, guys, so the thing is, how much would you bid on an estimate like this at an apartment complex, one bedroom? All right? In the link below, down in the comments, go ahead and leave your comment. Tell me how much you would bid on it. And don't forget, if you like my videos, subscribe over there to the right side. On the left side, check out my other videos. I'm out.